So since we're here at Piedmont Tech College for mortuary science, we are going to take advantage of the cot and make a video about how to use cots and how they collapse, how you take them up, and how to use them on a removal when you go. So we're going to kind of go to the experts here, and I will let him introduce himself and show you how to use a cot.
Hi, I'm Tom Stark with Mobimedical. I'm going to share with you a little bit of operational procedures on a mortuary cot. What we have here is just a regular mortuary cot. One thing about mortuary cots is they are multi-level cots as opposed to an ambulance cot, which is either all the way down or all the way up. So I'll show you how one person can actually put a body on a cot. So you have a lever here that you squeeze that allows you to lower the cot. You can come at the other end and there's another lever here. You can squeeze, lower the cot all the way down, even to the ground if you need to. And then on this end. So if the body happens to be on the ground, now you can easily put the body on your cot or stretcher and secure it with the straps. And then to raise it, in order to load it in your vehicle, you'll just kind of do the opposite. You'll squeeze and lift. Come around to the other side. Now if you have two people working on this, it makes it a lot easier, but you can do it with one person. Now, in order to load this cot into like I have a minivan here, which is a traditional vehicle for funeral homes, you have to make sure that the cot is in the highest position. That's really important because the legs collapse towards you as you're loading, so it has to be all the way up. So that's a key thing. So now we're going to go ahead and load this into the van. So you put it up against your bumper, or as I have a ramp. So you put it right up against there, and then you squeeze the handle and push until it's fully loaded, and now your cot is ready to go. And with ours, you just go like this, secure it, and there you go. Now if we want to remove it, we pull on this and then we squeeze the handle, which releases the legs to lock, and the other ones will come down. Okay. One helpful thing might be also is, as you take that last leg out, is to put your foot here just to make sure that those last legs that come out are securely locked. Okay, that just takes a couple seconds, and now you're ready to take that body into the funeral home or mortuary or wherever you are. Again, it's Tom with Mobimedical. Thank you so much. Tom, again, one further thing that you can do with these mortuary cots is that you can tilt them up in case you're in a house that has tight spaces, and we call it the dolly position. So you can actually tilt it up so that the load wheels that normally help you load the cot into the vehicle are now on the ground along with your back wheels. So it kind of forms a triangle. So now your cot is in we call it the dolly position, like a furniture dolly, and you can have the body on there, and it helps you when you're inside a house going around tight corners, things like that, and then just put it down again.